Hi, I'm Mike Lyon.
And I'm Jen Barkan.
We're with Do You Convert, and we're talking about the Online Sales Academy. This is the premier training course for online sales specialists. If you're new to the role or you're just getting started in your career, this is the place where we're going to give you the proven guidance, framework, and structure to help you set more appointments and create more sales from your online sales program.
The Academy kicks off with a 2-day live event focusing on the fundamentals of building a successful online sales program. But it doesn't stop there. We stay with you for the next 2 months with virtual training, coaching, and giving you all the tools that you need to build a successful online sales program.
You know, Jen, this is something I could have used when I first started in the role.
Oh my gosh, totally. It would have been really helpful.
Right, and that's why we created it. We wanted to make sure any online sales specialist who wanted to ramp up faster than ever, see success faster than ever, experience that in this program, and we're going to guide you through that successful launch.
This course came highly recommended by a lot of people. They said Mike and Jen are awesome people, and today they delivered.
I definitely preferred the smaller, more one-on-one feel of today. Definitely helped me get my questions answered and a better knowledge of the business in general.
Join me along with Jen Barkan. We both sat in your seat and teach from our direct experience and years of coaching online sales specialists. This is a small group setting. You'll get one-to-one coaching and direct support from us. In order to facilitate this hands-on learning, you'll have to act fast because space is extremely limited. Join that VIP list, watch for those emails, and join us in the Online Sales Academy in 2020.